Steve Austin, astronaut, a man barely alive.
We can rebuild him. We have the technology. We can make him better than he was. Better, stronger, faster.
Man, when I was a kid, $6 Million Man was all the rage. It's a show about a guy who gets rebuilt with robotic machine parts. God, I loved it. And then 35 years later, I got to play a similar role. A character who enhances himself via technology and engineering. Now, the term bionics goes back to the 1950s. But the idea of enhancement actually dates back much further to Greek mythology, Aztec gods, and even ancient Hinduism. So these next stories are about augmenting our human abilities. Everything from a bionic limb that behaves naturally and understands intent, to data that improves performance, and vision enhancement that saves people in actual life-threatening situations. It seems with AI, anything's possible. So it raises the question, do we even want to be superhuman, or is imperfection what makes life interesting in the first place? Whatevs, I gotta get back to the gym. Normally I'd jog, but I got a wonky knee. I should probably switch it out. We can rebuild me. Better, faster, stronger. 7 miles an hour, full out.